What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we will be installing the Govee Pro Black version. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of it. Before you start your install, always test your lights. The Govee Pros are a 100-foot kit. They come with 6 strands. Connect each strand together to test your lights. Check each individual light for any abnormal lighting effects. We located an outlet closest to the right side of the house in the attic, so we decided to route all strands on the top and bottom from right to left. Here is our layout, what we decided to go with. At the top, we'll be using a 12-foot blank extension into the attic, run the strands from right to left, use an 8-foot extension, and continue on down the side. Take some measurements so you have a general idea. Now lay those strands out to match your measurements. Take a look here. Now that the strand is laid out on the floor, this jump is less than 17 inches from the distance of each light. I will place the light here and here, preventing a splice in the line. Find your center peak light. Anchor your peak light, then see if your small jump needs adjustment on the left. Check this weather. It was sticky in the morning, raining by noon, and cold and windy by the evening and night. We entered here with the 12-foot Govee extension into the attic. One full 17-foot strand is needed here. Like I had mentioned in my last Govee Pro video, start your strand connections in a way you can use the provided blank extension without splicing. Like I described earlier, here is the example of the light plus jump plus light with no splice. Light at the peak. This is a short video as I could not capture more footage due to the rain, windy conditions, and it being bitter cold. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you all for your love and support. Till the next one. Do 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 do.